Behind the scenes is cool. I'm glad you're doing this because the show you see on TV is the second best show.
Behind the scenes
It's
is
way better.
Did you boom that saw?
10:23, 5 seconds. I think.
In 5 seconds? 10:23 now.
A challenge was set up by a fan.
I'm frightened.
So
Okay.
you know how kids use like a baseball bat, they run in circles around it?
I may have done that, yes.
We're gonna do a similar version, but with sledgehammers. We're gonna race around them for 20 seconds. First one over that hill wins the race.
I'm leaving early.
I got this.
Ah! That was bad. I'm still here.
I got it.
I'm gonna go throw up over here for a minute. What's up? Like this angle? Huh?